Smartboard tutorial. Pen tool. Choose different pen types, adjust stroke size, and change color. Supports up to 20 simultaneous touch points. Eraser tool. Adjust eraser size or simply use the back of your hand to erase. Ruler tool. Includes straight ruler, semicircle ruler, compass, and more for precise drawing. Shape tool. Insert 2D and 3D shapes for clearer explanations. Partition tool. Split the board into multiple sections so your writing stays neatly within each area. Table tool. Create tables and choose the number of rows and columns you need. Browser. Browse the internet without exiting the whiteboard. Mind map tool. Create and expand mind maps for brainstorming and teaching. Globe map tool. Explore maps in both 2D and 3D views for interactive geography lessons. Star tool. Visualize Earth, Moon, and planetary rotation with adjustable speed. Periodic table. View the full periodic table, combine elements, and auto-generate compounds. Theme. Change background colors and choose form ready-made templates. Import. Import files, resi them freely, and write or draw directly on the top. Pages. Slides auto-split into pages, or add unlimited pages as needed. Share. Generate a QR code to download the whiteboard notes. Browser. Instantly search and access global websites directly. Split screen. Split into two screens and resize freely. Split screen. Split into two screens and resize freely. Files. Open PDFs or images to annotate, highlight, and sketch directly. Android system. 8GB plus 1 to 8GB can download apps directly from Google Play. Camera. 48MP camera for photo capture and QR scan. $4,000 display plus dual speakers. Ultra clear visuals with powerful built-in sound for an immersive experience. Wireless mirroring. Easily to connect without HDMI cable and up to 4 devices at the same time.